Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I shall be teaching you guys how to make this lovely fish pie you just saw right now. Measure about 2 cups of flour. Put it in your bowl. Measure about 6 tablespoons of butter and place in your bowl, and you can start mixing. So here now, mix your butter well. Measure another 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil inside your bowl mixture. Mix it well. So we're gonna measure about 12 cold water spoon inside our mixture, and we'll continue mixing it. So now I've put about 6 tablespoons. I'm just gonna put 12. You can put it bit by bit if you know your recipe. So I'm gonna mix it off camera. So this is how it looks like. You should not too much mix your mixture. It should just look just normal. Don't mix your mixture so hard. Don't mix it so hard. Like you make the gluten to be active. Just allow it like this. Before I forget to tell you, I'm gonna put my mixture in the fridge to simmer in the fridge. We're gonna boil our fish. So you can see we have boiled our fish and we are trying to separate it. We're trying to separate our fish from the bones. So I'm gonna separate all these fish off camera and show you guys how it looks like. So I'm gonna mash it with my fork. Little by little, I'm gonna mash it with my fork. So this is our fish which I've just prepared. It's looking good. So now I am gonna try to roll out my doughs into pieces and place my fish inside it. So I'm gonna roll out. And as of now, I have preheated my oven. So I'm rolling out my dough. Just roll out your dough. So as of now, I decided to place my baking powder, just a little, about 1 teaspoon or half inside. So I've placed my fish inside. Put it to any quantity you want it to be. So I'll also use my egg and whisk it and fluff it all over this thing to look good when baked. So I've preheat. This is my grease pan. I put any paper. You can put any paper as your paper for baking. Wow! After some minutes, I have baked my lovely fish pie. As you can see, it's so lovely, so fluffy. I love this recipe. For more videos, press the subscription button, like and comment on my videos. Thank you for watching. This is not all the fish pie. I also kept some. My people was just like, oh, this is so good. They ate it up. Wow. Thank you. Let me open it and show you guys how it looks like. Looking good. You can see that it is so fresh and good. Thank you for watching. Always remember to subscribe. It's a bye-bye.